Hi guys, I'm Siley and I love reading books. Let's get started. So, today we will be reviewing one of the fastest growing authors of children's books, which is David Walliams. David Walliams has written multiple books that have all gained popularity, such as Gangster Granny, Billionaire Boy, Mr. Stink, and many more. Before starting the actual review, I would like to talk about his writing style and art. When I first read this book, I was quite intrigued by how the author has used small doodles and dramatized words such as this man screaming into a megaphone or these penguins fishing out the poor boy from the stream. I feel like each page is a new adventure to take on, and you can't help smiling as you read along. Continuing, the first book we will review today is Codename Bananas, which is an engaging, humorous, and emotional adventure set in World War II. The story follows Eric, a young boy who lives in London with his grandma after the death of his parents. Eric's life is quite adventurous, especially because his uncle Sid is a zookeeper, which allows him to visit the zoo at any time. Soon he forms a friendship with an intelligent yet friendly gorilla named Gertrude. What I love about Codename Bananas is how it makes you laugh while also giving you something to think about. Codename Bananas explores various themes such as loyalty, friendship, courage, acceptance, and the power of imagination. Overall, it's a pretty humorous book that lets the reader take a break from life while enjoying the whimsical adventure. Wow, we sure are moving quite quickly through these reviews. Anyways, moving on, we are now going to be reviewing Bad Dads. This story follows an 11-year-old boy named Frank who lives with his father, Gilbert. Gilbert is a famous race car driver, but one day, disaster strikes as he rolls into a car accident, scarring him for life. He had to wear a wooden peg on his leg just to be able to walk around and limped all the time he did. Soon after, Frank's mother leaves Gilbert to marry another man. Gilbert was not able to find any jobs due to his disability, and they were on the verge of going bankrupt and selling their house. Fortunately, Gilbert finds a job in the nick of time. But when Frank asks what type of job it is, his father replies saying it's top secret. Throughout the whole book, we go along with Frank as he tries to uncover which top secret job his father has received. This book contained themes such as bravery, fear, thankfully no losses, and finally forgiveness. I love this book due to its descriptive writing and how child friendly it was, but with deep meanings just like Codename Bananas. And that wraps up our reviews for today. Bad Dads and Codename Bananas, though written by the same author, have quite different scenarios but the same morals for most of the part. Codename Bananas takes place in the brutal World War II, while Bad Dads takes place in a close-knit town. And yet I feel they convey the same thing, which is to be courageous in times of curiosity and danger. Enough of my blabbering. I believe Bad Dads is a solid 3 out of 5 for me, as I feel it's much more suitable for 11 to 12-year-olds as it is quite carefree. If you loved reading Bad Dads, I would recommend Danny the Champion of the World by Roald Dahl due to its somewhat similar plot. Codename Bananas is close to my heart. I believe it would be 4 stars out of 5 due to its quite original plotline. Who ever thought about a kid befriending a gorilla and then proceeding to go on extraordinary adventures with them? As for the age rating, I believe it's suitable for 11 plus. I will also give one of my recommendations. If you have already read this book and loved it, I think that BFG by Roald Dahl would be a good fit for you, as the writing style and art style is quite similar to David Walliams. Finally, what do you think? Have you read either of these books, or do you have similar recommendations? I would love to hear all of your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share it with fellow book lovers. Have a fantastic day and happy reading!